In this video, we're going to capitalize our first names with a capital, obviously. So the hard part we did in the last video, which we extracted the first names from the full names. So when using this, for instance, for an email list, we kind of want to capitalize the first letter of this string. So Google Sheets provides a function called proper. So proper, and then we use that similar function, will capitalize the first name. So it should say Caesar with a capital. So if we just copy paste that proper function all the way down, we can see it everywhere appearing. So the proper function also works for full names. So if we, for instance, say proper and then use the full name, it will also capitalize the last name. So it's quite ideal in the cases where you want to clean your names. Maybe also in other cases where you want to capitalize city names, for instance. There are quite some use cases. Let me know if you have any questions on this, or otherwise, see you in the next video.